What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode on AdventureWorks. Not so adventure-y this round, but I can tell you one thing. I'm very excited about this one. This box is from Mattel. I posted about this on my Facebook a couple weeks ago about how excited I was and how I was going to try and get one. There's only one, or this is one of 20,000 in the world, so I thought I'd do a quick little unboxing video here for you guys. Just put that there. Boom. Hot Wheels Chevy Impala 64 Impala. Yeah, she's factory sealed, you guys. I'm gonna open it for you guys right now. Obviously, I'm gonna marker this, edit it. And I paid $29.99. I think it was $12 for shipping, so $42.95. And as crazy as this is gonna sound, there was already people posting this exact car on eBay. Even though they don't have it, they just got confirmed orders, just like I got a confirmed order. And $250 people are selling these cars for, which is just freaking real to me. People can be doing that right now. And you know, the real sad thing is people are gonna buy it. But anyways, back to this. Oh, collector's special edition. Woo. Oh man, this box is just so beautiful. Like, the pictures I seen online do it no justice. Here's a little bit of history on it. Don't worry, I'll pause it, slow-mo it, so you guys can read this, but I'm going to keep on going. Ooh. Oh, man. That is beautiful. I'm still trying to figure out, there should be a number on it somewhere. Oh, I don't know if I'm just going to put this down here, just because I don't want to drop it. Ooh. Man, that is so nice. Let's pull it out. I can't help myself. Oh, dang. Now, apparently, this will low ride too, so I just gotta figure out how it's gonna do it. I don't want to smidge around with it too much. Man, that is a beautiful car though. Like, here's, man, that is a beautiful car. Put that down. Now it should come with, yeah, there's a piece of meat for it. Kind of got a little screwed up, unfortunately, but it doesn't look like it's scratched or anything. Go peel out all. Just like a show rig. It's gonna be going in a display case, I think. This thing is freaking so sweet. Like, the hydraulics, how they work. It's like, it was a little stiff at the beginning, but Now they work pretty good. I'm really liking this car a lot, actually, so. It'll never, ever leave my collection. Once it goes in the display case, I don't think I'll ever touch it again. I'm just doing this for you guys. I've never opened a Hot Wheels. Like, as you guys can tell, and I probably got a couple thousand of them too. In boxes. These are just mostly M2s, couple last run Hot Wheels. Excuse the mess here. Oh, I guess I should grab my none of them are open. So I'm doing this just for you guys on the channel. It is car number, sorry, let me zoom in here. 11,370 of 20,000. Whew. Got lucky on this one. I truly, truly did. This mirror, everything just looks just so good. So, like, this nice pink is just so beautiful.